How you going? It's Marko here from Hrvati Zajedno. As you can see, we are getting ready to set up. There's Julijana,
Hi.
there's Angela, and there's Josip taking a big drink right now. Like
Yeah,
always.
what's doing? Unfortunately, it's not rakia, but what can?
Yeah, well, that's for after show, not before.
Yeah.
So as you can see, we're doing a bit of a pre-game setup and making sure everything's done perfect. At the moment, we've got another program on just before us, but in about 22 minutes, we should be going live on the live on the live 90.5, either on Instagram, on the Facebook page. Sorry, you're gonna be all confused now.
Do you need a rakia?
I think I need a rakia.
Drink
Yeah.
something. No. This wrong. No.
No, basically, so you can either find us on the live905.com.au, or you can find us on iHeartRadio or any other streaming app, or you can tune in to us on the normal FM radio 90.5.
Frequency modulation, FM, not AM. There's difference.
Yes, correct. That is correct. So do you want to say anything lovely, ladies and gentlemen, before we end up and get ready for the rest of the show?
I do. I'm just about to message one of the amazing composers of our mashup that is going live in about 45 minutes or so. Krešo, Mr. DJ, KT, and also Lukey. So stay tuned because it's going to be amazing.
Great. Anyone else got to say anything?
We've got an amazing interview with the lovely Marta from Crow Connect, so stay tuned for that.
Sounds like interesting. And what else do we have planned for tonight? Or should we just keep it a surprise for everyone?
Well, I can give a little clue. It's going to be a packed show. It will be a quick show, so make sure you stay tuned to every minute of it. I know we're going to have to talk probably a little bit less than usual to try and squeeze everything in, but we're really excited for another amazing show.
Thank God we don't have to talk as much.
This coming from the number one talker.
No, that's Josip.
No, you both talk a lot.
Maybe that should be another challenge. We should time how much the boys
Anyway,
talk
I
at one
was
time.
going to say something.
What were you going to say?
I was just going to say hello. But yeah, it's going to be a big show, lots of content. So sit back, relax, put on some cover, get some popcorn. If not popcorn, čvarka's the preferable stuff, and join with us. We'll be live in about 20 minutes. It's going to be a good one.
Have the rakia ready and enjoy it.
If not, malo Ožujsko, Karlovačko, Pelinkovac.
Kruškovac. All the good stuff.
Yeah, it's all good in Croatia.
It is. So anyway, and there's Angela taking a sip, which is not alcoholic.
Cheers.
Cheers.
All right, guys, have fun. Vinko, thanks very much for popping in and saying hello. Make sure you listen to us in about 20 minutes. Anyway, guys, have fun. We'll talk to you guys soon. Enjoy.
Hail to the chief.
Hail to the chief. All right, hail to the chief. All right, guys, catch you guys later. See yous.